Hey guys, welcome back! In this video, I want to introduce and explore one of our brand new tools called QuickPath. You can check out more information about it on our website, and of course, you can access it right inside the MotionDesk panel. I already have MotionDesk open in After Effects. By clicking on this icon, I jump into the Market section, and from here, installing the tool is super easy. After the tool is added to the main panel, I simply run it, and we're good to go. This is the user interface of the QuickPath tool, and I usually place it under the Project panel in After Effects. To get started and add a new path, I click on the Add Folder Path icon. From the window that opens, I choose a folder that I want quick access to. For example, I select my Images folder and click OK. Now, the Add New Path section appears in the tool. Here, I can choose a name for the path, pick a color, and finally hit Save. As you can see, the Images block is added. By clicking on it, the Import File window opens from that folder, and I can easily import files into After Effects. Next, I add a few more path blocks for my videos, textures, and other folders. Now let's take a look at the icons that appear when you hover over a path block. The first option is Open in Explorer. Clicking this will open the folder path directly in Windows Explorer. The next option is Import with Dialog. This lets you import files from this path, and it works exactly the same as clicking on the empty area of the block. After that, we have Open Project. With this option, you can open an After Effects project located inside this folder. Next is Save As, which allows you to save your current project directly into this path. And the last option imports all files inside this folder directly into After Effects. Now let's look at the icons at the top of the panel. By enabling this option, you can switch the blocks into a two-column layout. This is especially useful when your panel is wide and you want to see more blocks at the same time. We also have the Catch from Selected Item option. This allows you to add the path of a file that you've selected inside the project panel. The search option is available by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. You can also right-click on any path block to mark it as a favorite. Then, by enabling the Favorites icon at the top of the panel, you'll only see your favorite paths. Finally, at the top center of the panel header, there's an up arrow icon. Clicking it collapses the header, helping you save even more space in the interface. If you found this tool useful, you can download the MotionDesk panel from our website and get access to QuickPath and many other tools inside After Effects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.